I'm so bored out of my mind, need a Starbucks and a Wi-Fi, or a jet airliner to fly me anywhere. I said, do you want to take a drive in my truck? Don't pay no mind to that 12-point buck laid across my hood. You ever been to Rome, Georgia? Pick peaches off the trees, climbed a water tower in Paris, Tennessee. I've been to Florence, Alabama, drink muscadine wine. Just give me a chance to change your mind. So before you go and fly away, girl, let me show you round a country boy's world. Somewhere between there on a dirt road, when I rolled down the window, she smelled wildflowers on that summer wind. Just a bite of homemade ice cream and a glass of mama's sweet tea. This old holler's got a way of making friends. She'd never seen a glowing field of fireflies, or the twinkle of a star